Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your Matic tokens and move them from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X, especially with the latest 2025 updates, you're in the perfect spot. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so you can secure your crypto like a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X device set up and updated to the latest firmware. You'll also need the Ethereum app installed on it, since Matic operates on the Ethereum network. If you haven't done this yet, connect your Ledger to your computer, open the Ledger Live app, and install the Ethereum app from the Manager section. Next, log into your Coinbase account and double-check that you have Matic in your wallet. It's always a good idea to have a small test amount ready for your first transfer to avoid any mishaps. Now, on your Ledger device, unlock it with your PIN and open the Ethereum app. This will display your wallet address. Carefully copy it down or write it out. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so accuracy is key to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. Head back to Coinbase and navigate to your Matic balance. Click on Send or Withdraw, then paste the wallet address you got from your Ledger. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and make sure to select the correct network, typically Ethereum mainnet for Matic. Before you confirm, take a moment to review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees involved. Once you're confident, hit the send button and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Coinbase transaction history for confirmation. Finally, go back to your Ledger Nano X, refresh the Ethereum app, and verify that your Matic has arrived safely in your wallet. And there you have it. Your Matic is now securely stored on your hardware wallet. Always prioritize security in crypto. Double-check addresses and never share your private keys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.